Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block all ads on your iPhone, fast, easy, and without using any third-party apps. If you're tired of pop-ups and random ads following you around, stick with me. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find and tap on Privacy and Security. Then, scroll again and tap on Apple Advertising. Make sure the toggle for personalized ads is turned off. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll a bit and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's not already on, toggle it on. Then, under the Privacy section, tap on Apple Advertising and select Don't Allow. Now go back once again and click on Apps. Then find Safari. Once it finds, tap on it to open, and make sure the toggle for block pop-ups is turned on. And that's it. You've successfully blocked ads and pop-ups on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.